Nogasemere kwa ne mwanchi umulie unakwanyira kwa kugutwara litukoli etoereru asengo kwaligani asemese ya amaya chinsa isano na ibere elinde ngomanye na rayanyira kwa bakago kolekana kulchingongo chense na gotoikera asegetaseni kigana mbeyemo egetaseni kya Ndizi TV nabagotonyara chinse mo chiri cha YouTube wetera Ndizi TV news naboga sense mo ya website nabagotonyara wetera www.ndizitv.or.ke chinga kicho nigo oyokoronere kiro kyobora ibense wetera ekyama gya UDA agenderere chikampeni chaye ase county ya Bungoma hayo namange ngwira ndande segekeke ngumanye naraina kwaliganere eletaria ne Frida Kerubo ne chinsemo chibyorokerere ni otokubaterana nere Joshua Auta. Mwanchi umulirire gingo chaka kigimani gongo chakera county ya Kisii habo ase enyagitari ya Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital bakobwaterana na AMREF na boigo eserikali ya county nigo banyare kwa bagosieria chi clinic chira chikonyara kwa bachiko tumeka ase egeke rinda kwa ene kibuna abamenyi be county ya Kisii banyare kwa bakwenyorera echanjo yoborere wenyama bagokwa na ime ya KTRH umunyagitari omanyakantebuna ongware niganyare kwa bakako basaba abantu gose abamenyi be county ya Kisii wesokia asobonge nabo igogwetanga no burero bwe wenyama
in conjunction company to AstraZeneca na AMREF mobile clinic yego chotara SG sub county chetu Charles Kianda ne town yeito koira amariyogari ya COVID vaccination ya sabanto kayara el guapo va nomboro na inde kwa vaccinate kwa rinayota era gere to matarero county ya Kisii ya tware no se record chikes chilivisa na 500 na inde se vaccination campaign yeto targeted abantu kiri ya saba na team so far wamekuwa fully vaccinated kwa chanjo chilivere kiwanete na abantu wote ndogo hata bange nusu milioni watarawa fully vaccinated
gotigana nayo mwanchi umulirira na gosika mutuni gongo komanyibuna oyokoria ekero kyobo jumbe emeye bunge ya kitutu chache South yomanyikante na Samuel Omwando niganyere kwa bakago tugutera are engana buna county ya Kisii nigo yanyere kwa bagakorekana gutwara chibura buru chinga kichiga liberelia sesa yanyere kwa likane kibwa ase NCT ya Kenya wana nigatebire buna orogongo rwa gusibo tambe nigoro manyikaine buna gutwara obotereru chinga kiche chikura na magega hiye chikura wana niganyere bakako basaba abamenyi be county ya Kisii koene ki omorembe chinga kichiga chichikambe nabo igomagega yobochorio bonene gokorekana
igomanyita abagusibu n'abantu bari peaceful 27-208 ekero chibura buru chiabete Kisii was very peaceful abantu bari gosumbuana isigari se bari gocha lunch na ende barara buya ryo manarita yongusi naende abantu mbato class 5 nanto kabwate buraburu bataratuoro kimpetas bataratuoro kiebinto bikuoro kinganto chiko babe buraburu tinyege netinge buraburu nchenero egoro nonyendiri nigo narenge meya ama tukarie ngakiria buraburu was the mayor in Kisii naende go tuarenge very peaceful. I was waking up in the morning na around peace in all radio stations na go wake up in the morning na display peace na ene karechi abantu baito ko house abantu bali baseri kuba bagachanji nyumba cyabo na kubachi indagera na kubachi yanga igonta gete kuba the Kisii was very peaceful then, it is peaceful now, it will be peaceful again.
Omwanchi omurigerera gingosuka mutuni gongo kumanyibuna nigo obeire omoichano munene mabegega y'omusacha oyo mogoitona mu muromo abo ase eng'encho y'edeni y'echishiringi 50. Aniganyata kabaga gokorekana chinga kibale konyara ko bakorwa ase bachete konywa ebinyobwa by'ogotindi nigo banyarite ko babakobwaterana ne kazini yae ase amatenya reko bagakorera oroboti oru nabo igo abanyanyimbo banyara ko bagoikerana ase chinsemecho na kubabeka biara baberabo.
Mimi ni Gehonga Banda Charles nikiwa SCC na Morambi. Leo hii asubuhi mwendo wa saa 12 tumeamkia jambo la kushtikisha hivi kwamba kuna mmoja katika wakaji wa sehemu hii ya Marinda ambaye ameuawa kwa jina Nixon Matimbai. Na ni sikitiko kubwa sana kuona kwamba jambo kama hili linafanyika katika jamii, na la ajabu ni kwamba huyu marehemu ameweza kuuawa na jamaa wa familia yake. Kwa hivyo letu tu ni kuuliza jamii na wanakijiji na wananchi wote wa sehemu hii waweze kutulia, ili polisi ambao tumekuwa na wao wameanza kazi ya kufuatilia na ili wapate kufanya uchunguzi na kuhakikisha kwamba wale wote ambao wamehusika na jambo hili wamechukuliwa hatua kupelekwa kotini na ufunguliwa mashtaka kwa jambo hili ambalo ni la kushikisha. Asanteni sana.
Magegaye kiumbe getenenerete obochori nabo igo chimbebe IEBC gosokia amalieta ya abarwanireri wano nigo omugava osoyo koronera ekirokyo bugavana eme county ya Mombasa Mbuvi Mike Songo anyarira kwa bakabo siekererwa isiko niganyande kwa bakabo tukuterare amalieta yo abwasate birubuna nigara chikoganya okona chagwekina bosebweke gambero ekokora chikokorekana litukoria ejuma chinga kicho nigo bere omugo komonene asoyo kuronera bugavana ime county ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja abo ase elietalia area nyatako baliko bekwa bene.
Si Sonko kila saa siasa si Sonko, hata hawa viongozi wanaweza ongoza Mombasa. Tulikuwa tumeongea mambo ya hiyo plan B. Kwa hivyo mimi vile chama itasema mimi sina pingamizi. Wananchi ndio wanaamua. Kwa hivyo hiyo isilete mburugano kati yangu na ndugu yangu Bogo. Tunafanya kazi pamoja na tutaendelea kufanya kazi pamoja, na mambo bado iko kotini. Tunaachia uamuzi wa mahakama. Mahakama ikitutupa nje basi tutafanya nini? But tutapigana mpaka mwisho, tunaelewa sheria. Tutapigana mpaka mwisho.
Those are normal and we're used to them. I've seen today the IBC has presented their gazette notice of the candidates. There are those who are hoping very much that my name will not be there. It is there. Our matter is still in court for determination, and that will be done on Tuesday. The other matters that have come, that will be consolidated. But as we've said from the beginning, we remain confident that the will of the people shall be the determining factor in this election, and we are grateful to all those who remain to support us, and we continue keeping our eyes on the ball.
Ekiombe gia NCIC gekobwaterana na Standard Group nigo batalira chinsemo cha Kisumu eliokorandi omulembe chinga kechiga toligereti obocholi obonene okwana ime ya Kisumu nigo banyareko bagosiolio omorobelio openda jirani abo ase batebirubuna nigo barachigotalira chi county chonsi emerongene na isano na ibere elinda kwane kibuna banyareko bako basomia abamenyi bense itu ya Kenya na kibabwenete komenya na abamwe abo chinga kechiga chilibere.
When we as NCIC decide to form an MOU with the Standard Group, we decided that alongside the launch of the roadmap to elections without violence in August, we need to go down to the grassroots and talk to wananchi openly and engage with them very much like, politicians engage with them on the grassroots. But the guys who are preaching peace totally, ourselves and the Standard Group in this particular case, have not had a chance. People just talk from the radios, from the TV stations, But this time round, we have launched this massive program which will go to all the areas of Kenya. Here we are in Kisumu County. We shall go to Kericho. We shall go to Nakuru. We shall move on to other places, Nairobi area, Isiolo, all the way to the coast, Mombasa, Kilifi, and so on. So there's no area until we go to Meru, even to northeastern. Basically, is to talk to wananchi and sell to them the idea of peaceful coexistence, inclusivity, recognizing diversity, and knowing that we are one people, we are one country, we are one destiny in Kenya.
Umwanchi omulierera kurwa ase orobatiro ni onekire omoere wa amayase birebiga kore nigo basabato basagosukaza basakanyegera chikoraga chinsa 10 ayona amange ningoretere ase nchira yobwenye ase chinsa machiche byorokere tanyaka tukubatera nere Joshua Auta nabago asoko ene kibuna ebicha nabagirio iri awekere asore senchira engansuke kima no musubati Petronila mukire elietariane Frida Kerubo kokoganeria omubaso omuya.